Ever wondered how our feathered friends create their cozy homes? It's not just sticks and fluff. It's an avian architectural masterpiece. Picture this. A bird's beak is its trusty construction tool, and each species has its unique blueprint. They gather twigs, leaves, and sometimes even spider silk. Now, here's the nesty magic. Birds aren't just builders. They're interior decorators, too. Feathers, moss, or even soft bits of fluff line the inside for comfort. It's like a birdie dream home. The construction site? Usually a hidden spot like a tree, ledge, or even the nooks of your house. Birds are nature's architects, turning basic materials into cozy retreats.